The fact that you think that Allah Azza wa Jal is not able to help you, or doesn't want to help you, or is not listening to you, or for whatever it is, like even if it was because you say, oh, but I have too many sins, that's why he's not going to listen to me. All of this is su'avan billah. It's having bad thoughts and, you know, not thinking good of Allah. Allah is Ar-Rahim. Allah is the most merciful. Even if you have plenty of sins, Allah is in the Quran, يَا أَيُّهَا الَّذِينَ أَسْرَفُوا عَلَى أَنفُسِهِمْ لَا تَقْنَطُوا مِنْ رَحْمَةِ اللَّهِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ يَغْفِرُ الذُّنُوبَ جَمِيعًا. All you who have, you know, overloaded yourself with sins, don't lose hope in the mercy of Allah. Allah forgives all sins. So Allah told you this. How can you think that He's not going to listen to you because you have too many sins? You saying that what He's saying in the Quran is not true? Or you think that He is not capable to give you that, you know, ability to memorize? Or you think that you put in the effort to learn the Arabic language, for example, for His sake? You think that Allah is not al-adil? You think that He's not just? And that, you know, He's not going to give you at least something that will help you to know about Him better, which is the Arabic language. After all of these efforts that you have put in, He's al-adil, He is just. If you put all of those efforts, He is going to give you those, you know, results, which is in the Arabic language that you're looking for, as long as you are sincere. So having these bad thoughts and having these limiting beliefs about you not being able to learn the Arabic language and not being able to accomplish this or that, as long as it's for the sake of Allah, it's just indirectly having su'adhan billah, it's having bad thoughts about Allah Azza wa Jal.